Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to configure leave rules, which is part 3 of your leave configuration. An important part of leave configuration is setting of the rules. To configure the rules, click the settings icon on the right-hand side. Click Leaves. Click Add Leave to add a new type of leave, or to edit the existing leaves, click View or Edit against the leave types. Click Rules. We shall now look at the rules in detail. Minimum service period before leave can be applied. Here you need to enter the minimum number of days to be completed before the employee can apply for leave. Minimum per instance. Here you need to update the minimum number of days the employee can apply for leave per instance. In the same way, under max per instance, you need to update the maximum number of days the employee can apply for leave per instance. The leave request window is the number of days after which an employee will not be able to apply leave that has already been availed. Maximum leave that can be taken. Here you need to update the maximum number of days of leave that can be availed during a specific period. Select the period by choosing from the drop-down, and you have the following option, that is days, months, weekly, quarter, half-yearly, and year. Here you need to update the number of times the leave can be applied in the defined period. If you update 0, then there is no cap on the number of times the leave can be taken. Likewise, if we enter 1 and select monthly, then the employee can apply for leave only once a month. Maximum leave balance. Here you need to enter the maximum number of days of leave that an employee can have at any given point in time. Maximum negative leave balance. Here you need to enter the number of negative leave balances the employee can request the leave. This will override the maximum carry forward at year-end rule in the encashment tab. Unavailed leave will lapse. If you check this box, the unavailed leaves will lapse based on the period defined for leave credit in the credit tab. Notice for leave request. Here you can specify the number of days notice to be given before applying for leave. Maximum leave balance. You have two options to choose from, that is maximum balance at year-end process and maximum balance at any point of time. Now coming to the sandwich rule. Is leave part of weekly off? By checking this box, if the weekly off is between 2 days, then the weekly off will also be considered as leave taken. For example, the weekly off is Saturday and Sunday, and if the employee applies for leave on Friday and Monday, then Saturday and Sunday will be considered as leave taken. Is leave part of holiday? By checking the box, if there are holidays in between the leave, then the holiday will also be considered as leave taken. For example, if the leave is availed on, say, Monday and Wednesday, and if Tuesday is a holiday, then even Tuesday will be considered as leave taken. Is leave part of preceding week? By enabling this option, the weekly off before the leave start date will also be considered as leave taken. For example, if leave is applied for Monday, and if Saturday and Sunday are the weekly off, then both will be considered as leave taken along with Monday. Is leave part of preceding holiday? If you enable this box and there is a holiday just before your leave start date, then the holiday will also be considered as leave taken if you select it. Is leave part of preceding holiday? By enabling this box, if there is a holiday just before your leave start date, then the holiday will also be considered as leave taken. For example, if leave is availed from Wednesday and Tuesday is a holiday, then Tuesday will also be considered as leave taken. Is leave part of succeeding week off? By enabling this box, if there is a weekly off immediately after the last date of the leave, then the weekly off will also be considered as leave taken. For example, if leave ends on Friday and Saturday and Sunday are weekly off, then both days will be considered as leave taken along with Friday. Is leave part of succeeding holiday? By checking this box, if there is a holiday just after your leave end date, then the holiday will also be considered as leave taken if you select this option. For example, if leave is availed from Wednesday and Thursday is a holiday, then Thursday will also be considered as leave taken. Clubbing rule. Here you can select leave types which should not be clubbed along with the configured leave types. For example, you cannot club both sick leave and casual leave together. That is, avail SL on Monday and CL on Tuesday. There should be a gap of 1 day between both the leaves. Display leave balance to employee. If you want the leave balance to be displayed in the employee self-service portal, then enable this option. Upload of attachment is mandatory in the leave claim. This means if you apply the leave for the above mentioned days, the document attachment is mandatory when applying for leave. For example, if you update as 2, when the employer applies for 2 or more days in ESS, they will be prompted to attach the document when submitting the leave claim. Once you have updated all the rules, click Save. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.